Ja?
Müller bucht einen Flug
Flug.
auf
Flug.
Flug auf die Mittelmeerensee. Sie bucht außerdem 2 Zimmer in einem großen Hotel direkt am Strand. Familie Müller badet gerne im Meer.
Okay. Okay. Sneha, fangst du an? Kannst du bitte lesen?
I'll read from the beginning, sir. Familie Müller plant ihren Urlaub. Sie geht in ein Reisebüro und lässt sich von einem Angestellten beraten. Als Reiseziel wählt sie Mallorca aus. Familie Müller bucht einen Flug auf die Mittelmeerinsel. Sie bucht außerdem 2 Zimmer in einem großen Hotel direkt am Strand. Familie Müller badet gerne im Meer.
Okay, sehr gut. Okay. Nur, nur einige kleine Fehler. Es ist Mittelmeerinsel. Okay, Mittelmeerinsel. It is
Meerinsel.
not Meer, es ist
Meer.
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 Weil das ist
Meer.
E
Meer.
und E, ne? Meer.
Yes.
Ja?
Meer.
Meerinsel. Not Meer, Meerinsel.
Meer.
Meerinsel.
Mittelmeerinsel. Okay. Und dann, das ist
Mittelmeerinsel.
bucht. Always remember, I tell you some basic principles of pronunciation. Whenever a vowel is followed by two consonanten, suppose M-A-N-N and M-A-N. Okay. Now, when a consonant is followed by a vowel is followed by double consonant. Okay, then it is suppressed sound. It is a suppressed
sound.
Like man. It is not man. But when it is followed by a single consonant, then it is a elongated sound. Okay. So always think on that up. Like here in this word. Now here you will see it is Mittelmeer. Now emphasis is on A. Emphasis is on A. Mittel. Yeah? Mittel. Meer. Insel. Here all the vowels are pronounced properly or elongated. But here in this word, E is pronounced suppressed. Mittel. A is more pronounced than E. Right?
Yes.
This is A and this is E. Yeah? Just listen here. Right? So E is little suppressed and A is little elongated. Mittelmeer Insel. Okay. Like here in this is list. It is not list. It is not list. It is list. Okay.
List.
Not so pronounced. But here it is Ihren Urlaub. Laub. Sie geht in ein Reisebüro. But here it is Müller. It is Müller. It is not Müller. It is not Müller. It is Müller. Yeah? Here it is Familie. All vowels are equally pronounced. Familie. Familie Müller. Yeah? Familie Müller. At the most, you can emphasize on this A. Müller. Okay? Familie Müller. Plant Ihren Urlaub. Sie geht in ein Reisebüro und lässt sich von einem Angestellten. This A is not pronounced, but this A is more pronounced. Angestellten. Stelten. Do you see the difference? Angestellten. Lässt sich lässt sich von einem Angestellten beraten. Beraten. All vowels are equally pronounced. Yeah? Als Reiseziel wählt sie Mallorca. This is again A followed by
Double.
double consonant. So it will be Mallorca. O
Mallorca.
is more pronounced. It is not, this A is not so much pronounced as O. Mallorca. Ja? Familie Müller bucht einen Flug auf dem Mittelmeerinsel. Mittelmeerinsel. Sie bucht außerdem zwei Zimmer in einem großen. Now you see, this is again followed, this O is again followed by double consonant.
Double
This is known
consonant.
as SS, no?
Yes.
So it's großen. It is
Grossen.
not großen. It is not großen. It is
Grossen.
großen.
Grossen.
Grossen.
A is more pronounced than O.
Grossen.
Großen
Grossen.
Hotel direkt am Strand. Familie Müller badet gerne im Meer. Meer. See, this is air, na? This is air, and this is A. So this is May, na? This
Yes.
sound
Yeah.
is May. This is not me. It is May.
May.
May and air. So May plus air is Mayor.
Mayor.
Mayor. Yeah? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we are pronouncing, we should always remember any vowel followed by two consonants has a separate sound, and the vowel which is followed by a single consonant has an elongated or
Elongated.
expanded sound. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Jetzt lesen wir hier. Okay.
Am Abflugtag fahren Herr und Frau Müller mit ihren beiden Kindern im Taxi zum Flughafen. Dort warten schon viele Urlauber. Alle wollen nach Mallorca fliegen. Familie Müller hat viel Gepäck dabei. 3 große Koffer und 2 Taschen.
Caution.
Ta-
Okay, now you see,
Ta-
this is not dabi, it is dabai, like dry. It is I, na? This sound is I sound.
Dabai.
I sound. So dabai,
Dabai.
dry,
Dabei.
zwei. No?
Dabei. Huh.
This is
Dabei.
familiar. This is familiar. Fliegen. This is B. This is E sound. But this is I sound. I. Yeah? Dabei. Drei.
Dabei.
Zwei.
Dabei.
Yeah? Biden. Yeah? Do you see the
Okay.
difference?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is other way around. Viele.
Fliegen.
Yeah?
Yes.
And, yeah. Okay. Then, second thing. Dabei, then this is, okay. Fau. This sound is Fau sound.
Fau.
F.
Fau.
F sound. I have told you Volkswagen. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Yeah? It is viel Gepäck. Nicht viel Gepäck. There was one more word. Viele. This is viele, not viele. Viele. Fa sound.
Viele.
Yeah? Viele Urlaub. Like in Volkswagen. Viele.
Viele.
Viel Gepäck. Fahren. Fahren. Yeah? Fahren. Nicht
Fahren.
fahren. Okay?
Hmm.
This will be read as fahren. Okay?
Fahren.
Not fahren. Okay? So we should mind this. Okay, Amol.
Am Abflugtag fahren Herr und Frau Müller mit ihren beiden Kindern im Taxi.
Okay, stop.
Zum
Okay, stop. Now, this is not Kinderen. Kinderen will be written, if I want to write, it will be written as Kinderen. Do you see that spelling difference?
Yes, sir.
What is the spelling difference?
Kinder.
R-E-N,
After D N.
R-N.
This is R-A, kinderen. This is ren. There is no ren here.
Kindred.
This is no ren here. It is
Kindern.
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 Yeah.
Kindan.
Yeah, it's not kinderen. So please do
Kindan.
not insert any vowel which is non-existent. Okay. Do not
Okay.
insert any vowel or any sounds which are not there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Am Flugtag fahren Herr und Frau
Okay. Once
Müller
more
mit,
stop.
ja,
Once more stop. Now, when I say it is not Abflugtag, it is Abflugtag. These U, A are very pronounced. Abflugtag. Abflugtag.
Flugtag.
It is not
Abflug.
like English. This is not like English. It is not a flat sound. It is a elongated sound. Abflugtag. Flughafen.
Flugtag.
Flughafen. Yeah, this is U.
Flugtag.
A correct proper U. It is not a just U or small U. It is proper U sound. Yeah, like in Ulu.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Amal.
Am Flugtag fahren Herr und Frau Müller mit
Müller. Umlaut.
Müller, Müller mit ihren beiden Kindern,
Kindern.
Kindern,
Kindan.
Kindern,
It's okay.
Kindern im Taxi zum Flughafen.
Im Taxi. It is not taxi. It is taxi. This is
Taxi,
Taxi.
Taxi, ja. Taxi zum Flughafen. Dort warten schon viele Urlauber. Wollen nach Mallorca fliegen. Familie Müller hat viel Gepäck dabei. 3 große Koffer und 2 Taschen.
Why are you emphasizing on every alphabet so much? Why so much of stress? Are you nervous or what is the problem? You are stressing
sir.
on every word. It is
I'm concentrating on its words.
you are too much conscious about it. Too much conscious. Don't be so conscious about it. Es ist am Abflugtag fahren Herr und Frau Müller mit ihren beiden Kindern im Taxi zum Flughafen. It is not am Abflug fahren Herr und Frau. No. Keep it simple. Do not emphasize on every first letter. You are emphasizing on every first letter. Okay? Amol, try again.
Am Abflugtag
See?
fahren Herr und Frau
Again.
Müller.
Again. No, not Herr und Frau. No. Am
Okay.
Abflugtag Herr und Frau.
Ja,
Ganz
am
normal.
Abflugtag.
Read it just like English you will read, but in German.
Okay. Am Abflugtag fahren Herr und Frau Müller mit ihren beiden Kindern im Taxi zum Flughafen. Dort schon viele Urlauber. Dort warten schon viele Urlauber. Alle wollen nach Mallorca fliegen. Hat viele Gepäck dabei. 3 große Koffer und 2 Taschen.
Zwei Taschen. Don't be nervous.
Taschen.
There is nothing to be nervous about. We are all learning. We are all in the process of learning.
Yes.
Okay, we are evolving. It's a day by day evolution. Okay, it's natural. It's very natural that you make mistakes. That's very normal. There is nothing to be ashamed or be nervous about it that I'm sorry I read it wrong. No, nothing like that. Nothing doing.
No.
Everybody makes the same mistakes. I also made the same mistakes. Month long we keep on making same mistakes. Doesn't matter. We should only try to improve upon it. Okay, there is nothing bad about it. There is nothing bad about it. Okay, it's normal. It's a normal thing. You have been speaking English for 30 years now, 25 years. but this is new for the brain. So obviously there will
Yes.
be some mistake, some nervousness to read, but it's okay. Just be normal to it. Okay. Okay. So the next paragraph, Amol. Next paragraph.
Die Taschen sind handgepickt.
Mhm.
Handgepickt. Familie Müller nimmt sie mit in das Flugzeug,
Flugzeug. Flugzeug.
Flugs, Flugzeug.
Mhm.
Am Flugschalter, ja, Flugschalter checkt
Checked. Checked.
checkt die Familie in und
Ein.
ähm,
Familie ein. Ein. It is
ein,
not in.
ja,
It is ein.
ja, so, ein und äh, erhalt,
Erhält. Erhält.
ja, erhält ihre Bordkarten, die Angestellte am Shelter er, erklärt,
Erklärt.
erklärt Herrn,
Herrn.
Herrn,
Herrn.
Herrn,
Ja.
Herrn Müller den Weg zum Flugsteig.
Flugsteig. Okay, now again, notice, again, stop. Okay. EI is a long sound. Okay.
I.
Uh,
Inside.
okay. Where is this? When we go to EI, EI is always read as I.
I.
Okay. And IE is read as
E.
E.
Okay. Now, wherever you find this combination, wherever, i.e., familie, familie, yeah, ein, yeah, the, and this sound is very typical. Erklärt, erklärt, yeah,
Clear.
a. This is a sound, a sound. Okay, a sound. Okay, erreichen. Now you see, erreichen. Now see, this A is followed by soy vowels, soy consonants. Now this is very typical. Erreichen. Now R is pronounced here more than A. Erreichen. This A is more pronounced, this I is more pronounced than this A, and R is also more pronounced. Erreichen. A is very small. Erreichen. Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you notice this difference? Amol,
Yes.
you also
Yes,
notice this
yes.
difference?
Yes, sir.
Listen, and this is these are full sounds. Die Taschen sind Handgepäck. Familie Müller nimmt sie mit in das Flugzeug. Am Flugschalter checkt die Familie ein und erhält ihre Bordkarten. Okay, die Angestellte am Flugschalter erklärt Herrn Müller den Weg, yeah, pronounce this is A sound, proper A sound, then Weg, like in Sneha, yeah, Sneha, you can't say Sneha, okay, this is Weg, den Weg zum Flugsteig. Den Weg zum Flugsteig. Okay. Sneha, read it.
Die Taschen sind
No.
handgepickt.
Oh. What is this sound?
Die.
What
D.
is this sound?
D.
Oh, D. Oh, I-E. Okay. D.
Okay,
Fine.
no problem.
Die Taschen sind handgepickt. Familien
Handgepäck. A sound.
handgepickt.
Ah.
Handgepickt. Familie Müller nimmt sie mit in das Flugzeug. Am Flugschalter checkt
stop. It is not Flugschalter. It is Flugschalter. Flug. Proper U sound. Flugschalter.
Flugschalter.
You will say Flug only when it is followed by double consonant. When U is followed by double consonant, then it will sound like what you said, Flug. Okay. Otherwise, it is Flug.
Okay.
Yeah.
Flug. Okay.
The deep U.
Flugschalter. Okay. Flugschalter checkt die Familie ein und erhält ihre Bordkarte.
Ire. This is E sound.
Ihre Bordkarte.
Yeah.
Ihre Bordkarte. Die Angestellte am Flugschalter erklärt Herr Müller den Herrn Müller den Weg zum
Den Weg.
Flug.
No, den Weg. Nicht den Weg. No, den will be pronounced when I write it like this. This is den. This is den.
Okay, double consonant. So
Double
den.
Yeah, and this is single consonant here, na? Wait.
Den Weg.
This is den and this is den. So when I read this, the first one, I will read it den. But when I read the
Den.
second one, I will read it den.
Den.
Okay, and both words exist in German. Remember,
Okay.
these two words exist in German. So if you make a mistake, you will be understood for the other. So please mind your sound, mind your pronunciation. It is den Weg, nicht den Weg. Okay,
Den. Okay. Den Weg zum Flugsteig.
again, Amol. Same sentence.
Yes, sir. Die Taschen sind Handgepäck. Familie Müller nimmt sie mit in das Flugzeug.
Sorry.
Am
Sorry.
Familie in und erhält ihren Bordkarte. Die Angestellte am Flugschalter erklärt Herrn Müller den Weg zum Flugsteig.
Okay. Again, Amol, mind. It is Flugschalter. Okay. Flugschalter. Flug. And it is not am. It is arm. Still your English is coming in between. You are reading it am. Shelter. It is not shelter. It is shelter. A sound. A sound. Nicht
Schalter.
a sound.
Schalter.
Okay, nicht am, but arm. Flugschalter. Nicht Angestellte. It is not Angestellte. It is Angestellte. It is Abhay, not Abhay. Okay, it is not Amol. It is Amol. If I read your name in English, it will be Amol. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, British will read his name like Amol. But it is not Amol. It is Amol. Na? So same way, in German it is Am. Okay? So, same way. Okay. So, we will stop here today. Have you practiced this full paragraph? It is not
Yes, sir.
much. Yeah? Next time when
No,
you read
not
it,
full.
huh? Yeah, what?
Not full till that
And
yes, sir.
do it till the end. Do it till the end. Next time we meet on Saturday, right?
Yes, sir.
So on Saturday we will have a small video film and then we will discuss about it. So we will have a mix of all the things, reading, listening and speaking both. All the things. Okay?
Okay.
Bis Samstag. Bis Samstag.
Samstag.
Yeah?
Bis Samstag.
Cheers.
Tschüss.